Hey, I'm Anna, and welcome to Tech Tuesday. This week, we're looking at the latest loudspeaker release from AMC. Launched at ISE earlier this year, the new O4 and O5 loudspeakers are great additions to the AMC lineup. These speakers are designed to be super cost-effective for the installation market. As their name would indicate, there are both 4 and 5-inch options available in black or white colorways. Featuring a built-in transformer as well as 16-ohm bypass, these can be used for either low or high impedance applications. The 16-ohm bypass allows you to have up to 8 speakers on a single amplifier channel running at 2 ohms, meaning you can get all of the benefits of a 100-volt system without sacrificing frequency response. Also rated at IP55, these speakers can be used in both indoor and outdoor installations, allowing a project to use the same speakers throughout and maintain the same quality. Despite their size and price point, particular attention has been paid to the acoustic performance of these speakers, and they are the perfect complement for any BGM system. The smart brackets included with the speakers allow for simple click-in installation in either horizontal or vertical mounting. If you'd like to learn more about these AMC speakers or would like a demo, feel free to get in touch. We're always happy to help. See you next time.